every single day. When you look at the energy body of a person that has been with a narcissist, their physical energy and life force energy will start to drain because they're constantly, feeding this other being. Their adrenals have been on high all the time. And ultimately it leads to things like cancer, autoimmune issues in the physical body where you're like, I don't know what it is, but it's just all encompassing. We can't figure it out. That kind of thing. Oftentimes I always see that attached. I always see that with a person that's been in a narcissistic relationship for a long period of time. And then once they're removed, then you finally can say, well, now let's figure out what's going on physically.
Wow. I love that. I love that. And so what we're doing is all of that and so much more. And then I'll come in with the side about helping to deprogram the fear and all of the mindset programming and the self-doubt that feeds into that, healing the mind, the brain, the emotions, the neurology, and also then how do you recover your sense of self? And both myself and Kate, one of the ways that I describe is almost like closing those portals so that these things can't keep coming back in, and also sharing strategies and things that you can do as you move forward.